here. Put your foot.
It's just easier if you carry it.
I like that. How about a reload?
Uh-oh, kitchen.
Watch this. Put this right here like this.
She's like, whoa.
What does this thing do?
Well, I didn't see the salt and pepper shaker last night. I noticed it. Boy, she can bring all that food down here. Some new stuff.
Yeah.
There's your
Oh, back to the slide.